Misunderstand. People often misunderstand my sense of humor. I am misunderstanding these instructions somehow. I have misunderstood the question completely. I have been misunderstanding the rules all along. I misunderstood her tone at first. I was misunderstanding the plan while everyone nodded. I had misunderstood the deadline before she corrected me. I had been misunderstanding the term for years before I checked. Some readers will misunderstand this passage. I will probably be misunderstanding half of the lecture. By the end, I will have misunderstood the whole point. By then, I will have been misunderstanding the system for months.